In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Zoom profile picture, host and participant workarounds. Here's the key idea up front. Zoom doesn't offer a direct foolproof switch to hide just your own profile photo in someone else's meeting. That said, you do have solid options depending on whether you're the host or a participant, and what you mean by hide. I'll walk you through what Zoom allows, the limitations to be aware of, and the safest workarounds. If you're hosting a meeting and want to prevent profile pictures from showing at all, there's a built-in control. While the meeting is running, open the Participants panel, click the three dots, and choose Hide Profile Pictures. That instantly replaces profile photos with participant names for everyone in the session. If you'd like this to be the default across your meetings, set it from the Zoom web portal. Go to Settings, then Meeting, then In Meeting, Basic, and turn on Hide Participant Profile Pictures in a meeting. This saves you from toggling it every time and keeps meetings more uniform and privacy-friendly. If you're joining as a participant and want to hide your own image, there isn't a reliable setting. You can flip that guarantees your photo won't appear in someone else's meeting. The simplest workaround is to replace your profile picture with something neutral, like a solid black or plain image, so nothing personal is shown if your video is off. You can also remove the picture entirely. To do that, sign in to Zoom's website, open your profile, and delete or change the picture. Keep in mind that this change affects all your meetings and devices using that Zoom account, and it might take a moment to update everywhere. A handy tip is to keep a neutral image on hand so you can swap back and forth easily. There's also a viewing angle that can help reduce clutter. When the host enables Hide Non-Video Participants, anyone with their camera off won't display a profile photo in the gallery. Only their name appears. You can use the Hide Non-Video Participants option in your own Zoom app to focus your view on active video tiles, even if the host hasn't turned it on for everyone. To recap, hosts should use the Hide Profile Pictures control either in the meeting or in Settings for all meetings. Participants should replace or remove their profile photo, ideally with a blank image, if they don't want anything personal to show. And if you need others not to see your picture, ask the host to enable hiding, or stick with the neutral image approach.